music, it's too loud. It's too loud, it's too rowdy, it's too violent.
There are 7 known wonders of the world. You about to witness the 8th, motherfucker. When I bang this, it's dangerous. Niggas go brainless. So bang this with the 4-5 stainless. And understand that you looking at the famous West Coast rapper who act like an anus. Hollywood, they thought they can tame this pit bull, but I know what the game is. Them fuckers cheat like an NBA rep. If you smoke one, they'll electrocute you to death. I got God on my intellect, Godzilla by the neck. When a nigga come through, who you wanna holler at? Ghost Riders hit the deck when your boy got attacked. Where the fuck is Africa? Damn by the act. We need to take it back. Fuck Viacom, clear channel and Radio 1. You motherfuckers programmed by the programmers. That's why you getting locked up by the dope slammers. Not me.
No mercy when we all up in them, cut them down. To hell is where we send them. My whole team train to explode, ride or die. Murder motherfuckers lyrically, and I'm not gon' cry. Me, a born leader, never lead a block without my heater. 2 big nicks, I call them my bitch nigga heaters. And I don't whip until I'm gone. Thug life running through my veins, on strong. You can't break me, never make me bust the softer beats. This outlaw style got a brother